Today I'm making another Cafe Series 4. Let's see what this is. Ooh, it's the shrimp cocktail. So that one comes with horseradish, which kind of just looks like salt. The glass, which is essentially the margarita glass from Happy Hour. This is really cute though. We have shrimp. Did get a snack time placemat. Some parsley maybe. I don't know what herb that's supposed to be. And of course, the resin, which is cocktail sauce. This is probably just the tweezers. I don't know if we have a spoon or anything else, do we? Oh, we do. We have a fork randomly. Here's what it'll look like. I guess you could put one on a fork. I don't think I'll be doing that, but another easy build. You fill it up, add the horseradish and stir it. Then you add the shrimp to the rim and you can snip off a piece of the parsley or whatever herb and lay that in there. Which I think they put theirs in the middle. So I will probably do that. See how much shrimp they gave us. Oh, those are cute and big. So we got 6 of those. Those are cute. And they should sit nicely on the glass, and they do. Okay, so I'm assuming the horseradish is just gonna give it that chunky kind of look. I'm just gonna add a little bit for now. Probably will need more. But I'm gonna stir it with a toothpick. Ooh, just went everywhere, okay. Looks like sea salt. Don't know how much to add. I'll just start with a little bit and then we can add more to it. Oh yeah, the resin's thick. And we'll definitely need a lot more to give it that texture. I wonder if this is the same stuff they use to make like the slushies. Kind of gives that vibe. It's thick. Make sure you look at it from all angles because I just held it up and there was a huge air bubble. I can't show you because it'll dump out at the base. So make sure to give it a really good look before you go on to the next step. Looks like some air bubbles are trying to escape. I'm gonna add a little more like that and then we should be good. And I don't know that I need to add any more resin, honestly. It's pretty full. But again, I'll smooth it over. Might even let it sit for a minute. And it's okay that I'm kind of wiping it off on the rim because there will be shrimp going there. Probably a good idea to let it set just for like 30 seconds or so because some bubbles did come to the top. And I don't see any anymore now, so we can probably start hanging on our shrimp. I don't know if I want to use all of them or keep some. Guess you could go, you know, all the way around. Oh man, decisions. I honestly can't decide. I think I'm gonna snip off one of these to place on there. They are 2 different shades, one slightly lighter. So I might put one of each in there. And then we'll do like one of these. Trying to snip off the tiniest bit. Oh no, that's not where I wanted it. Oh no. Should have used the tweezers. I think I might use the rest of the shrimp. I just think it's so cute. I'm just gonna put them all in there, who cares? And then I'll slide them so that they're on there evenly. Actually, they're pretty even how they are. Oh my God, that's adorable. Okay, let's cure it and I can give you a better view. Here's what it looks like all done. This is very cute. Out of a 10, I'd probably give this one like a 9 just because, I don't know, I just thought it was a good idea. And it's different than pancakes and like, you know, regular easy stuff. It was an easy build, that's for sure. Love how the shrimp looks. It's so cute. What do you guys think? I definitely have more of these to make, so make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. Also, follow me on Facebook. It's linked below for all the latest Miniverse news. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.